There he is! Chubby! There was Tubby. But you didn't miss Speech Bubble Ghost. Must be blowing his horn at somebody. Don't, be careful. You almost hit me with that. He's got coal. Tubby! Tubby! That's 2. Tubby! 3! You already missed it. So far, I haven't seen one. No, they've got coal in them, Penny.
I can't see it.
He's picking up a little bit of speed.
These disrespectful engines. When is it going to end?
Well, he must be getting ready to end because a car just came by. So it means he's cleared the crossing at Red Star.
Tubby, Tubby.
Tubby, 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 Tubby. Tub, 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 tubby,
Hey guys,
tubby.
leave a like for Tubby.
Comment hashtag Tubby.
I don't think they can.
They can.
Yep, I see another Tubby.
Tubby! Tubby! My name rhymes with Tubby.
Tubby, Tubby, Tubby.
Shush!
Tubby, Tubby.
I'm not.
Tubby, Tubby,
I'm-
Tubby, Tubby.
I'm not chubby.
I said Chubby, Tubby. Not Bubby.
Look at that. Look at that train. Whoa, look at that car. That is old! Oh, there's an RJ Corman truck.
Yay,
He's going
switch the point.
at Thurmond.
I wish we could follow it.
I wish we could too.
I want to watch Mom.
There's the end! I'm actually going to post this one, so say something to the people.
First, guys, if you cannot comment hashtag Tubby, like for hashtag Tubby,
Or just put Tubby in the comments.
if you can.
You don't have to put a hashtag, just put Tubby at least. And leave a like.
For all you train fans.